Well, let's talk about how Sitemark has really stepped into this space, learned what the the workflow of the end user, and built it into a product.
Mm-hmm. So in the beginning, as I said, we were very much focused on the drone. So it was all about the technology, radiometric pictures, finding the issues, and we were still very close to the initial way of working, which was the focus was make PDF reports, report on what we found. We are kind of a technical service company which comes in, finds the problems, and then makes a report on that. And then we realized that what happens to these reports is people look at it. Hopefully they don't print it, because then they lose a lot of ink and paper. And then they end up putting it in a big Dropbox with a bunch of other reports, but they don't act upon it. And it's very hard to prioritize the issues and to act upon it and to get a total view of what your portfolio is looking like. And that's where we realized there was a huge opportunity to create a digital platform around it, because you could get much higher level insight. You could integrate with monitoring platforms. You could basically compare different sites. You could compare different O&M providers. You can act upon it. You can track basically the actions you've taken to resolve the issues. So it's not just about finding issues and making a report. It's find issues, compare them, prioritize, decide what you want to do with them, send someone to go and do the actions, and then report on the improvements of those actions. So we're offering that full solution, and the only way to do that is to digitize. And I think there's a huge need for digitized solutions in the energy market because of the aggressive growth that most of these asset owners are going through. So they're growing very rapidly, and so they're hiring, and they have a hard time finding good people. And the best thing they can do is to digitize, because it just helps them collaborate in a more efficient way and change the way they work. So at some point you need to move away from Excel so that you can collaborate with a bigger team and just be more efficient.